Yeah, yo, I have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Your body make me heart just a melt. All the up on the gram, me a mention. Tell you say up, you look, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day. Yup.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to give you this grassy type. I labeled it Sawgrass Bay, but I will probably change it at the end of this video. But yeah, I just woke up, felt in the mood to do this creative look. So if you guys like it and want to learn how to do it, stay tuned. First up I'm going to do is take a white eyebrow pencil, well it's kind of like an eyeliner pencil, and then I'm going to draw clouds and put like my eyebrows inside of it. If you guys aren't good at that, try drawing it on a piece of paper before you do it, but you can always take it off with See, as I said, you can always take it off. This is my first time trying this, so I did have to revise it a lot. And you guys are free to do that. It's easy to take it off. So now what I'm going to do is draw the grass outline. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going up and down. Yeah, I went through my nose. I kind of loved how it looked. Next, I'm going to take my paint and I got this paint from Party City actually. So I'm going to go in with the paint and color in the cloud. Recommend using a round brush to get in the curves of the cloud. Also keep in mind that I did about 3 coats of paint. Now I'm just going to do the same thing that I did to this eye, to the other eye, the same coats, everything the same. So if you guys want to fast forward through this part, you can. So now I'm going to start doing the grass. I did use a more square brush to get in between the points, and I actually don't know where I got this paint from, but you guys can get it at Walmart or Party City as well. Just make sure it's face paint or body paint. So here I realized I wanted more of an artsy makeup look, so I did take off the paint off my lips, and I did try to make it cute and put on lashes and that type of stuff. So now I'm going to tackle this beast of mine, and for this look I wanted to do 2 puff ponytails. First I sprayed my hair with water, just cold water, and split it in 2. Then I'm going to take the Eco Styling Gel, wet my brush, make sure it's a nice slick ponytail, and then take the Eco Styling Gel, the Argan Oil kind, and I'm going to put it on my edges. Now I'm going to take a very old toothbrush and do my edges. The only product that I use for my edges is the Eco Styling Argan Oil Gel. So now I wanted to kind of clean up the look, so I did go in with my foundation just a little bit. see, I did go in with the foundation that I said. I'm just going to blend it in to make the look more neat. Now I'm going to add some highlight, just a little, to my nose. Add some highlight, the Bella Pierre highlighter, and I'm going to add it in the corner of my eyes, and I'm going to add a little bit on my nose just to give it that extra shine. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment if you want more content like artsy looks, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.